Okay guys, this is Kevin, messing around with EIGRP. I'm doing like a little lab out of the book I'm reading. This is the book I'm reading, right here, CCNA ICND2. Just trying to finish up my CCNA. So messing around with this, doing a little practice. I already set up, this is actually a router 1. And router 2, I set these up. See, you got the green links already. I just haven't done anything on router 3. See, it's coming up with the initial dialog box. So I'm just going to, oops, well, that's a bummer. There we go. I'm going to go in and configure it. Host name. If I can type name R3, interface serial 0/0, and that's the interface here 0/0 that goes up to 1. And I just made it easy, so like I just did 10 networks, a class 3, and then just did a 10, so 10, 1 connected to 3, so 1, 3, 0. So it just makes it a little easier to kind of figure out. So so we do IP address 10.1.3.2 with 255.255.0 and a no shut. And now it's up. And then we'll go interface serial 01 and IP address 10.2.3.2 255.255.255.0 no shut. And then write out that one, and then fast Ethernet interface fast Ethernet 0/0 IP address. Oh, I hate that. I should have put in that command. 192.168.3.0 2. Oh, not 0, not 1. 255.255.0. No shut. And looks like everything is online. Okay, so now all we're going to do for EIGRP, because it's a simple little thing to do, is you go into conf and you do router EIGRP, and then you do your autonomous system number. We'll just use 1, and it's on now on router 1, and then you just advertise your networks. So all you would have to do is do network, and then you could do a generic 10.0.0.0. So you could just go ahead and do that, and that'll advertise that'll advertise the whole 10. So network 192.168.1.1, and then you could do this. This is Cisco's best practice. So you could do it that way. So now you're advertising the 10 network, and you're advertising the 192.168 network. And then let's just do no auto summary, because it is turned on in version 12, which is what is on Packet Tracer, iOS version 12. Okay, so there's that. We got one router done. And let's go in here to 2. And we're already in global configuration mode. So we will do router EIGRP 1. Make sure your autonomous system is all the same. And then we do network 10. We'll do it nicely here. 2.0. Or you can even do .2, and then 0.0.0.0. Now we have a new adjacency. That means that we are now sharing information with the router 1. And we will do network 192.168.2.0. We'll just do it that way. And then we can do a do show EIG. Oh, actually, END. We'll just do it this way. Show IP neighbor. So we did a show IP EIGRP neighbors, and we show that 10.1.2.1, which is this router, is our neighbor. And then we can do, there's a topology table, and this is all the routes that are in the topology. So we got the 10.0s, 10.1.2, and then we could do show IP route. And these are our routes, and these are the ones learned by EIGRP, and these are our connected routes. So we learned about the 10.0 network. See, and now this is a summary route. See, so what we need to do is go in and change router EIG 1 no auto summary. Show IP route. Subnetted. Here we go. Now it's not a summary route. We got 10.1.2 and 10.2.3. So there's that one. And we'll go into 3. Router EI1 network. I forgot what you did it. Network 192.168.3.1. Oh, not 255. Wildcard. 0.0.0.0. Enter. Then network. And 1.3.2. New adjacency. And network 10.2.3.1 or .2 on this one. 0.0.0.0. Enter. And then what we can do is end show IP routes. And we have all the routes in here. So these are our routes that we learned from EIGRP. Oh, I forgot to do the no auto summary. Hold on. D router EIGRP 1 no auto summary. There we go. Show IP. Okay, there's our no auto summary. So we have our 10.1.2. That's this. And we're on router 3 here. And then we have our 10.1.3, which is our connection to 1. And then we got our 10.2.3, which is our connection here. And then we have our 192.168.1 network up here. And we have our 192.168.2 network over here. And we have our 192.168.3 network down here, which is direct connected. So EIGRP is simple to do. Just going